This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Add Friend button not showing up on your Facebook profile. So as you can see right now, I'm in my Facebook profile, and now I will view my profile as view as. So I'm gonna tapping on this three dot and tapping on view as. And here we can see here is follow button showing, but add friend button not showing up. Now let's add the add friend button here. So first of all, open your Facebook profile, and now if you turn on professional dashboard, then you have to disable it. So tap on this three dot and tap on turn off professional mode. Tap on continue and tap on turn off. Once your professional dashboard turned off, now tap on menu and here scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings, scroll down, and here under audience and visibility, tap on how people find and contact you. And here tap on who can send you friend request. Here you have to select everyone. And now I'm going to my Facebook profile again and tapping on this three dot, tapping on view as. And now here we can see the follow button has been removed and add friend button has been added. So this is how we can actually fix this. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.